Hey guys, it's Reese, welcome back to the channel. So, quick unboxing video, two Matchbox mainline cars from the third mix this year, and a brand new moving parts Mazda SUV. The moving part is the trunk, which opens and closes. Anyways, I will see you shortly after all cars are open. Bye for now until they are open. So there are all three cars open, the Ford, the Opel, however you pronounce that again. It's a German car company. That's the Cadet C GT/E. From 1975, the Ford's a 1936 Ford Coupe, and there's the moving parts Mazda MX-30. Thanks for watching this quick unboxing video. Bye, and have a great rest of your weekend, everyone.